guys, tonight we're going to be cooking spaghetti. I'm Terry, this is Allie, Junior, and Tank. He'll be observing. He's the #1 fan.
Yep.
Allie, you're my co-host, so I can't do all the talking.
Okay, so guys, we're going to be making spaghetti, and she is a mom of 2, so she's going to be making pretty much a quick and simple spaghetti recipe for all of us. So
let's
tell them your stuff that you have out.
First, we have spaghetti, so we're gonna get that started. We're gonna fill up our pot with a bunch of water. I don't measure. I don't need measuring cups. Okay? And then turn it on high to a boil, wait for that to boil, and then we'll put it in. Here we have your basic Prego sauce, spaghetti sauce. Normally I would mix marinara in with my spaghetti sauce, but I don't have it because the girl's on a budget. So, turn this down to low. We're just going to go ahead and get this started. Try not to have it splatter everywhere. Alright. Get all that in there. We don't save spaghetti sauce around here. Just throw it all in the pot. Put the lid on and let it sit. And we're already halfway done. Then over here, I'm going to get this pan hot for my meat. And we're going to put some butter in the pan to get it nice and hot. And our water for our noodles is starting to boil.
So can I
Here's the meat. We're going to season it before we put it in the pan.
I'm going to put the noodles, okay? Can I put the noodles?
I'll give them to you so you can put them in.
Okay.
Go this way for me. Okay. Season the meat with salt and pepper, whatever you want. I like salt and pepper. It's simple. Come over so I can see. And just a little bit of adobo, basic all-purpose seasoning. And we're gonna squish it up. My hands are clean. I washed my hands. I'm gonna have to wash them again now. And this is getting hot, and when it gets a little bit hotter, I'll put the meat in.
And guys, that's the action you want to see with your butter.
Okay. So now this pan's pretty hot. We have it coated with butter. We're going to turn it up just a little bit more because we want to cook our meat all the way through. And we want the pieces small.
Yep.
Nobody likes chunky, well, maybe some people do. I don't. I don't like thick meat. It's storming outside.
If it's not storming outside, if it's not storming at your house, then I want to go.
Pan
visit
probably
your
needs
house.
to get a little bit hotter.
And my mom will be showing you the process you need to do to not make the meat chunky if you don't like it like that.
Just cut it up with your spoon. And we're just gonna let this sit for a little bit because the pan needs to get hotter. This is starting to boil, the water's starting to boil for the noodles. So I'm gonna let Junior put some in. And you can always add salt to the water when you're boiling noodles. That's what they say. So we don't need a lot of noodles because I'm not going to be eating a lot of this. The kids are. So we just need about that much and you just drop it into the pan, okay? You have to be on the counter like a monkey. Come sit over here. It's hot. Yeah. Like so. Yeah, they're funny. They're a little weird. You put them in wrong, but that's okay.
I didn't know.
It's okay. That's enough noodles. So those will go in the pot eventually. This is getting, so now I can make my pieces way smaller.
Yeah.
It smells good. Don't you guys think?
Yes.
And the sauce is pretty much good. So all you really got to do is heat it up.
Oh,
Just
and
The dryer's done. The clothes in the dryer are done.
I'll go take them out.
So, this is a very simple spaghetti. I'm missing onions, I'm missing Marinara. I'm missing some regular tomatoes that I normally put in the sauce. And that's all I'm missing, but I'm also missing aluminum foil for my pan for the garlic bread. But I'm gonna make it work.
because my mom is a superhero.
And those are going down.
Yep.
Hey co-host, what's going on?
I can't put it.
Well, right now we are going to.
The meat's almost done.
Yes, we are
We're
mixing the
gonna
meat
drain
around.
it.
The sauce is done,
Pretty
so
much.
we're not worrying about that right now. The noodles are boiling and they're getting done and ready, and our pan is just waiting for our precious garlic bread. Yeah, bread.
The noodles are really sweet.
And once you don't see that pink stuff anymore, that's when you know you're pretty much done.
That's correct.
You want to see that dark brown color.
Because I will meet right?
And that's the color you want to see. You want to boil it.
See, my pieces are small. That's how I like spaghetti done. And we're almost done. It took 10 minutes maybe. I gotta get a fork. for the
7
noodles.
minutes and 57 seconds.
Stir those up. And I do want to get a spoon for the
Marinara
sauce
sauce.
and stir that a little bit. Let's turn the fan on. Noodles are pretty much perfect, good to go. The meat's almost done, cooking completely, and I'm gonna stir the sauce.
We should do this every night. Ollie, right?
Okay, guys, so pretty quick and simple little thing, and we'll probably be doing this every other day that we have like wants to make, and yeah, so stay tuned for our new videos that might be coming out soon, because you guys,
I like that.
quick and easy recipe to make spaghetti.
Okay, we're about ready to drain the meat. And then I'm just going to put it back in. And then I'm going to let it sit here for a minute because we're going to have to make a part 2 to the video when we're ready to plate the food. So, and cook the garlic bread, which we're not ready for that yet. It's not even really time for dinner yet. It's still 6:47. I kind of want to eat around 7:15. So I'm just going to show you guys how to pretty much do what I'm doing now. And then we'll come back when we're ready to plate the food and show you the finishing touch. Right?
Yes.
No, this is our first video. Some people know how to chop and screw videos. We don't, so we're just going to make 2 until we learn how to make 1 and time lapse and stuff like that. I don't know how. Done.
Shout out to Infinite if you're watching this.
And we're gonna drain the meat over here, like so.
You know what that was called?
Well, then you need to cool off that. Cool off that.
Oops, sorry.
And there's our meat. Look how tasty and delicious. Our meat is done, guys. So we'll show you part 2. Tune for this video. Part 2 will be coming next, and me, my mom, and Devin, and Tank will be ready.
Together.
We'll be together waiting, and we're done. Devin's gonna set up the table. That's his job. My job is to film, and my mom's job is to cook the garlic bread. And we'll see you guys on part 2.
Part 2. Coming
Bye.
soon.
Bye.
My face out.